So here is the Hamster Kombat dashboard. So now we are going to pick our combo card for today. So switch over to mine right here or click on the daily combo, which is right here. So once you click on it, we are going to pick our first card, and our first card today is going to be under PR and team. So switch over to PR and team and scroll all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. The card we are picking today is actually a new card, and it is here. You can see VC Labs. So this is our first card for today. So click on it and click on go ahead. So that is our first card for today. And now we are going to go over to our next card for today. And the two card that remains is under special. So you need to switch over to specials. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so right now. Thank you. And we are going to pick our second card for today. And our second card for today is not even far. It's just here. Can you see Hamster Kombat Mesh? Hamster Kombat Mesh is our second card for today. So just click on it and click on go ahead. That is our second card for today. And now we are going to pick our third card for today. And our third card for today is going to be under special also. But you are going to switch over to new cards. So just switch over to new cards right here and just go down. But don't go down too much. Our third card is actually this Hamster Green Energy. That is our third card for today. So just select it and click on go ahead. Now we have our daily combo for today.